Okay guys, quick proof before we start. This is my channel. As you can see right now, congratulations, you are now part of the YouTube partner program, and what you are seeing right now is the kind of video I'm making on this channel: MMA fight with AI. Now let's talk about result. In the first 2 weeks after monetization, this is how much the channel made. I know it's not in dollars, but this is the franc CFA, the currencies of the French country I'm in right now. You guys know that I'm a French guy, right? But I don't want to precise the country. And here the key point is this channel is in French, and the opportunity I'm going to give you now is insane. But please wait, if we convert into US dollars, it comes to, let's say, 279 francs CFA in US dollars. So as you can see, we've got $490, all of it in less than 1 month after monetization. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same in English. This is the opportunity, and all of it using AI, so you have nothing to pay for. So if you want to know how it is done, watch this video to the end and don't skip any part, because this kind of video is not usual on YouTube. So let's jump right in. Alright guys, so as I said, in today's video we are going to dive into a topic that is insane: MMA fight. If you are not familiar with this, let me show you a quick samples. Okay, look here, 1 million views in just one single day. And if we dig a bit deeper, some videos even reach 14 million views, bro, in 2 weeks. So yes, it's huge, and you can see that it is in French, but also is a niche that's subject to copyright. That simply means there is no copy paste right here. You cannot take videos from other channels or TV channels to come and repost here. Imagine you can make money. No. So the question right here is how you can use AI to create this type of videos and get millions of views as you wish without having the monetization problem, having all the rights. So that's exactly what we are heading into straight. Okay my guys, so we'll start with ChatGPT. Okay, the first thing, we are going to give it a prompt. Remember, all the prompt I'll be using in this video will be in the description, don't worry. Okay, so I paste in the prompt. Let's have a look together. It's in French, okay, but I'll translate. So I said, imagine an MMA fight between a tall muscular champion and a little girl. The two opponents are standing face to face. So can you create an English prompt for generating this image? Because yes, the idea here is to have the prompt and generate the image from our imagination. Okay, and after that, now we will turn it into video. So you see it's extremely simple. I'll also need the prompt to animate scene, okay, using generative video AI. Okay, so the animation details are as follows. It's still in French, but I'll translate. The MMA fighter mocks the little girl. She counterattacks, lands several hits in quick succession, and knocks him out. Okay, so as you can see, it's slightly crazy little story, but the final result will shock you. It will be very high quality. Okay, then we click send. So in just a moment, as you can see, ChatGPT gave us everything we asked for. Okay my guy, now we have the prompt to generate the images as well as the mini prompt to animate them. So what we are going to do next, we are going to copy and paste all these into other AI tools. But before that, we are going to give ChatGPT another instruction and say, perfect, now do the same thing with the following characters, and here you can let your imagination run wide. Okay, for example, a traveling monk, a roster, a baby, a kitchen, whatever you fancy. All right, then just click send and off we go. All right, the AI has now given us everything we need to move on to step 2, creating visuals. All right, so to create visuals is very straightforward. I recommend using Deep AI, a free tool, all right, which in my opinion produce pretty decent results. So how does it work? It's very simple. We select one of our prompts, for example the roster, and I make sure to highlight all of it, right click, copy. Okay, then I head over Deep AI, go to image section and paste in exactly what ChatGPT gave me. You understand? I click create image, and here the result I get, all in just a few seconds. Bro, AI is magical. So the idea here is to keep copying various prompts, okay, to come and generate the images that we will need to do our full video. Okay, that's all. So guys, now that our images are ready, what's next? We are going to animate them. Animating images is very simple and straightforward. And once again, we are going to use free tools. Yeah, I already know you Clean AI, alright? We simply click on create. Once logged into Clean AI, we head straight to the image to video section. Here we upload the visuals we've just made. So we then see the image appears, and below it there's a space for prompt if you want to add one. Alright, and we will, okay, we will, because remember ChatGPT gave us, when he was giving us the prompt to generate the images, he gave us also some mini prompt to animate them. So that's what you can use right here. Okay, so all I need to do is to copy the animation prompts. This tells AI how I want the little girl, okay, to perform her movement. Okay, bish bish bish, yeah, and paste it in. Then I scroll down, choose either professional or standard mode, entirely up to you. Set the duration of the video, and that's it. Click generate. Alright guys, here's the result we've got, and as you can see, the little girl, and I must say, is actually pretty good. In fact, we can safely say she won the fight, right? And that's what we'll repeat with all the images, and you already know the process is very simple. Now comes perhaps the most important part, but not the most important, the most easiest one, which is editing. And all you have to do here, you already know it, right? Alright my guys, now you have all the steps needed to start your channel, also to make video about MMA fight just using AI. Now the last step is editing, putting everything together. This is simple. You just animate your video. When you have all your video animated, you go to VN editor or CapCut. You put everything together. It's all about your imagination. You can make video about 5 million long, like history is MMA fight, so you can make first round, second round, just your imagination, bro. Do whatever you want and edit them. Make sound effect. When there's a punch, you know, boom. When there's KO, you put all those sound effects and background music, and you are good to go. Don't overthink it. And remember something, there are three types of people: those who watch, understand clearly, but scroll, they are not ready; those who watch, understand clearly, but are afraid to start; and those who take action, and in 6, 3, 4, 5, 12, 1 month, they are having results. Which type of people are you? Tell me in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. To Joshua, and peace out.